Well, it was a pretty good storm last night. It went on pretty much all night. The old mountains over there, look. Still, if we can see the mountains, it means it's not going to rain today, not until later. So that means I can get on with the lovely job of rub-a-dub-dub. Flattening down all the primer, get all the scaggy bits out, and then going for the good bits. It actually seems like you've done something when you start to get a bit of colour on. So we'll just let these dry and we can build the doors back up and see how they hang. So that's pretty much going to take up the next couple of days, more than likely, in between rain. So let's get on to the next bit of the day. Ooh, what have we got here, love? Pad Pak gru-om, which is like stir-fried vegetables in oyster sauce, and I can see bits of seafood. Time to get that lot in me neck then. Nom 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 nom, as they say.